Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change payment method on Spotify. Start by opening your web browser on your mobile phone and go to the Spotify website. You can use the Spotify mobile app if you want, but the website usually gives you more control over payment settings, so it is better for this task. Once the website loads, log into your account using your email and password. If you are already logged in, you can move to the next step. After logging in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a small gear icon. Tap on it, and a menu will appear. From that menu, tap on the option that says Account or View Account. This will open your account settings page. Now you are inside your account overview. Scroll down a little until you find the section related to your subscription. Look for an option that says Manage Your Subscription and tap on it. On the next screen, you will see details about your current plan. This includes your payment method. Under this section, find the button or link that says Update next to your payment method. Tap on Update, and you will be asked to enter your new payment details. Carefully type in the required information, such as your card number or other payment option. After entering your new details, confirm the changes by tapping the Confirm or Save button. Wait a moment for the system to process your update. Your payment method is now changed, and future payments will use the new details. Thanks for watching.